Hi everybody, my name is Travis, a Teen Services Librarian with Spartanburg County Public Libraries. Today I'm going to tell you about Teens Make Custom Buttons, our newest pick-me-up kit, where you can design up to 5 custom pinback, magnet, or keychain buttons. See the description below to learn how you can request a kit of your own while supplies last. You should know though, this pick-me-up kit is a bit different than our previous ones, because we are going to team up to complete your craft. We'll provide you with materials and you design the buttons, but we'll handle the hardware. Here's how it works. Your pick-me-up kit will include a set of gel pins, a zip pouch to store them in, a sample pinback button, a template to make your designs, and an envelope to mail your designs back to us once you've finished with your art. You'll begin by adding your art to the template found in the envelope. Be sure to keep the envelope because you'll need it later. You can use the included gel pins or your own materials to design your buttons. Be sure to keep your art within the light gray inner circle, otherwise some of your art may be pulled underneath the button. When you're finished with your designs, you can choose to make one of your buttons into a magnet and one into a keychain. If you choose this option, be sure to mark the correct box on your template. And be sure to add your name and information so we know how to contact you when your buttons are finished. When your designs are done and your template is finished, fold it along the same grooves, seal it in the envelope, and mail it back to us. No postage is required, it's ready to go. When we receive your designs, we'll use our machine to make your custom buttons. When they're ready, we'll let you know when they can be picked up at the library of your choice. Normally, our button machine would be available in the Teen Hub, where teens can make up to 5 buttons per month. We hope to be able to offer this service again, but until then, if you've never seen our button machine in action, here's how it works. The first thing we'll do is take the template and then cut out the designs. Then we load the front part of the button into the machine. Place your design on top of it, followed by a mylar circle. Then we pull the handle to load the machine. Add the back to its slot, and pull the handle once again to combine the front and back layers into your new custom button. That's it for this program, so thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and hope you enjoy working with us to create your custom buttons. We really cannot wait to see what you create. As always, check back with us each Wednesday for new virtual programs, live meetups, and pick-me-up kits. Be sure to follow us at SCPL Teens for regular program updates, contests, and more.